Welcome back to Good Design Lab. I am Guru and today's SOLIDWORKS tutorial we are going to model this L-shaped bracket from exercise 34. This model is excellent practice for mastering blueprint reading, working with fillets and creating precise cutouts and counterboards. I will guide you to step by step from the initial 2D sketch to all the way to the final 3D part. Whether you are beginner or looking to sharpen your design skills, grab your mouse and open your SolidWorks and let's get started. So first we need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. Then go to new part and select OK. Take any plane like top plane and then go to a sketch. Take a center rectangle from a sketch tab and make it, this dimension is 120 and this is 100. Then go to features tab and select extrude boss face and extrude up to 20 mm and then OK. Select this face and go to a sketch and take a straight slot and select a smart dimension and select this point and this line, and this dimension is 65 and this radius is 15 mm. And then go to features tab, select extrude cut and cut it up to 20 mm, you can see here, and then OK, and select these corners and go to chamfer tab and create a chamfer of 15 mm and 45-degree this both sides and then click OK. Then select this face and go to a sketch and select corner rectangle and create a corner rectangle of the dimension 100 and this dimension is 120, and select extrude boss base, sorry, create a circle at this midpoint of 60 mm. Then go to trim entities and trim these entities, select OK. Then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it opposite direction 20 mm and then OK. Then select these corners and apply a chamfer of 20 mm and then OK. Select this face and go to a sketch and make a circle at this face and make this dimension 12 mm. This circle, the distance between this circle is 74 mm and the circle distance from here to here is 23 mm. This distance is 53 mm. Then go to features tab and select extrude cut and cut it up to 20 mm and then OK. Then select this face and go to a sketch and create a 16 mm dia circle from this origin and then OK. Go to features tab and select extrude cut and cut it up to 8 mm. Then OK. You can see here this model is ready now. select this edge and then go to fillet tab and select fillet, and this radius is 10 mm and select OK. You can apply color from appearance tab like this and then OK. Select this face and go to appearance tab and select any color you have apply on this. Apply any color you have to choose, then OK. Select any color and then OK. And that is how model exercise 34 in SolidWorks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new design challenge. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions about the dimensions or techniques we used today. Thank you so much for watching. I am Guru and this is Guru Design Lab. Keep practicing and keep designing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.